If you drive regularly, you already know that unpredictable road situations can happen at any moment. That is why having the best car dash cameras in 2026 has become more important than ever. Today's dash cameras not only record the road, but also capture detailed footage with advanced sensors, faster wireless connections, and smart safety features. These upgraded models give drivers stronger evidence, clearer visuals, and better protection on every ride. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let us get started. Number 1. The Rove R2 Front and Rear. The Rove R2 Front and Rear stands at the top of this list because it brings together premium clarity, modern connectivity, and reliable performance in a way that feels far above its category. Mini dash cameras try to deliver strong detail, but the Rove R2 Front and Rear consistently produces footage that stays sharp during the day and at night thanks to its advanced imaging system. Drivers who need dependable evidence or want high clarity during their travels will appreciate how smooth and crisp the recordings look, especially when dealing with license plates or moving objects. What makes this model feel more advanced is how it manages both front and rear recording without losing any quality. It gives drivers strong confidence that the entire journey is fully covered from both angles. One of the most convenient parts of the Rove R2 Front and Rear is the fast wireless connection. The built-in high-speed connection allows faster transfers to the app, making it simple to review clips without complicated steps. This is especially helpful when a driver needs to access footage quickly. The camera also includes helpful safety functions that work quietly in the background, triggering recording when the vehicle is parked and capturing activity that might otherwise go unnoticed. Drivers who need 24-hour monitoring will find this extremely useful, especially in crowded parking areas. This model also includes a memory card so that users can start filming right away. The Rove R2 Front and Rear feels like a complete package because everything from installation to daily operation is designed for convenience. Number 2. The Toolfia Dual 4K. The Toolfia Dual 4K is designed for drivers who value extremely sharp detail in both front and rear directions. It captures scenes with impressive clarity and provides visuals that remain easy to review even when traffic is moving fast or lighting conditions change. Many drivers appreciate that the Toolfia Dual 4K delivers consistent quality without dropping frames or losing important details. This level of clarity can be especially helpful when needing accurate evidence after sudden road incidents. The overall viewing experience feels immersive and the footage appears professional in structure, making it a strong choice for users who want premium visuals. Another standout element is the built-in wireless connection, which works smoothly for quick transfers. This makes sharing clips or reviewing footage far easier than with older dash camera designs. The Toolfia Dual 4K also features a built-in navigation tracking system, giving users an additional layer of detail for their travel records. This added data helps clarify speed, location, and route whenever needed. The wide viewing angle ensures that more of the road is visible, reducing blind spots and giving drivers a more complete picture. The large display makes the menu navigation comfortable and clear. Even newer users will have no difficulty understanding how to operate the device or change settings. Parking support functions add another layer of protection, giving the vehicle around-the-clock monitoring whenever parked. This can reduce concerns about hit-and-run damage or suspicious activity. Number 3. The Red Tiger F7N Touch. The Red Tiger F7N Touch is created for drivers who want easy operation along with strong image clarity. One of the first things users notice is the touch display, which makes interacting with the camera far more comfortable than models with physical buttons. The layout is clear, the controls respond quickly, and changing settings feels natural. This is especially helpful for people who want a simple user experience without going through complicated adjustments. The Red Tiger F7N Touch builds its appeal around effortless operation while still delivering professional-level recording. Its recording performance remains dependable in a wide range of lighting conditions. The improved imaging sensor allows scenes to stay bright, balanced, and easy to understand. Even nighttime footage remains stable, offering clear visibility of surrounding objects. The wireless connection is fast enough for smooth transfers, reducing delays when reviewing important clips. Another helpful feature is the hands-free voice control, which allows the driver to operate the device without taking their attention off the road. This small detail adds extra safety and convenience, especially during long drives. The included memory card allows users to begin recording quickly. Built-in parking functions help monitor the vehicle while it's not being driven, capturing unexpected movements or impacts. This adds peace of mind when parking in unfamiliar or busy locations. Touchscreen controls, clear recording performance, fast wireless transfers, and voice operation highlight the strengths of the Red Tiger F7N Touch. Its simple interface and smart functionality make it ideal for drivers who want both ease of use and strong protection. Number 4. The Viofo A229 Plus. The Viofo A229 Plus moves ahead with strong durability and dual-channel coverage that is built for drivers who expect long-term reliability. One of the most impressive elements is how well it handles changing lighting conditions. Whether driving at sunrise, sunset, or through brightly lit streets, the footage remains steady and balanced. The advanced imaging system keeps important details visible without heavy contrast, making it easier to understand recordings after unexpected events. For daily travel, this level of clarity brings a sense of trust and consistency. Another important part of the Viofo A229 Plus is its smooth wireless communication. Transfers are quick, app functions respond reliably, and users can manage saved videos without confusion. The wide angle of view helps cover larger portions of the road, reducing hidden areas around the vehicle. This makes the device a helpful tool for documenting trips or tracking road conditions. A built-in navigation tracking system adds additional valuable information such as route and speed, giving drivers more helpful detail when reviewing footage. Parking support helps protect the vehicle during idle hours, capturing motion or impacts without needing constant attention. The device is structured to handle long usage periods with a stable build quality that feels durable. Dual-channel clarity, stable low-light performance, wide-angle view, and smart wireless communication define the strengths of the Viofo A229 Plus. Number 5. The IEWEY N5 4-channel. The IEWEY N5 4-channel offers one of the most complete coverage setups in this list because it captures views from multiple angles at the same time. Many dash cameras focus only on the front and rear, but this model expands its visibility by adding interior and side perspectives. This makes it extremely helpful for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, or anyone who wants a more complete visual record of every trip. The footage remains clear enough to understand driving situations from several directions, giving a fuller overview of the surroundings. Its nighttime recording is enhanced by built-in illumination support, allowing interior and exterior details to stay visible even in dark areas. This becomes especially valuable when driving late in the evening or parking overnight. The wireless connection helps users manage clips smoothly, and the app controls make navigation simple. The included memory card gives users immediate recording ability without needing additional purchases. The 4-channel recording system allows drivers to track more details and reduces the chances of missing important moments when incidents involve multiple directions. The device also offers reliable movement detection during parking hours, capturing activity around the vehicle when stationary. The N5's interface remains simple, and the placement of its cameras is designed for flexible installation. Multi-angle recording, stable nighttime support, wireless app control, and parking monitoring highlight the strengths of the IEWEY N5 4-channel.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.